your English voice with the present perfect continuous and the present perfect simple. The present perfect continuous is used when an action started in the past and has either finished or is still happening in the present. We use subject plus has or have, been plus verb ing. Let's look at some example sentences. It has been raining all day. He has been cooking for hours to prepare dinner. I have been reading lots of books for the exam. Let's look at two more examples. We see has or have, been, verb plus ing. They have been playing football for an hour. Our next example, we see has or have, been, verb plus ing. He has been traveling around the world for a year. The present perfect simple is used when an action started and finished in the past and has left an effect in the present, or to indicate repetitions of an action. We use subject plus has or have plus verb, ed, or past participle. Let's take a look at some examples. I have been to the gym 4 times this week. We have eaten too much on holiday. We have painted the house this summer. Let's look at 2 more examples of our own. We see has or have, verb plus ed or past participle. They have played football in that field. Our last example, we see has or have, verb plus ed or past participle. He has traveled around the world.